Alright, I'm going to take you with me a little bit for a little eye makeup look that I'm going to do today. I'm really just doing this eye look to take pictures because I haven't done any holiday makeup looks yet, and then I'll be taking it off and doing something just a little bit more casual. Not like too casual though, because I'm still like trying to look extra, but we don't need to be a holiday extra for my plans this evening. I'm going in with a product that I got last Christmas. Jeffree Star Cosmetics Blue Blood palette. I got this last year for Christmas, and you can see that she's nice and dirty, and I have used I've touched at least every shade with a brush at least once. So I'm going to be going in with a blue look today. As you can see, I've added a little bit of blue colored extensions into my hair today. This is Bellamy hair extensions, clip-in extensions that I just clipped into my hair. So, yeah, thinking some kind of snowflake look. She might get carried away and it might go across the face, or it might just stay on the eyes. Stay tuned to find out, because I mean, we could go big or we could go real big. Let's see. I'm trying to decide which brush I would like to use. First, I'm going to go ahead in with this kind of flat, fluffy brush. This is a Morphe M434 brush. And I'm just going to dip into Blue Blood first thing. That Blue Blood color. And go into the crease. And yes. I did prime my lids first so that these colors would really stick and pop. And I'm just going to go ahead and give myself that blue across. Really just kind of cutting the crease. Just packing this color into that crease. I will blend a little bit down because I'm going to be adding a different blue on the rest of my lid, but yeah. Alright, next I'm going to head in with this light blue shade, I'm Cold, and yet from the corner of my eye almost all the way in, and blending it all the way up to the crease as well. Because I want to do white, or possibly a sparkly white, on my inner corner in the very inner part of my lid. So, most of it, but not all of it. Okay, now with a different brush, I will go in, I don't want to use Cullinan. I'm going to go ahead with my Fenty Beauty Killawatt Foil Freestyle Highlighter Palette. And I'm going to go into that Sub-Zero color. I believe it, yeah. Sub-Zero is on the left. No, how about Chillz? It's Chillz. Let me get the name right. And I'm actually going to get my brush a little wet to make sure that this sticks on top of that other color. So I'm just going to spray this with, oh, I totally didn't watch where the sprayer was and sprayed my chin instead. That is the first time that's happened. Just went ahead and sprayed that with a little bit of setting spray, and going in with that really sparkly white. Now I'm going to go back in with that brush I was using and kind of buff and go over a little bit more. I think I'm also going to take this I'm Cold shade and go underneath. Again, I went almost all the way, but not quite, because I want to put some white in there. And for that, I need a clean brush. Okay, now I'm going to go into that white shade, Cullinan. And I am using actually the Morphe R44 brush. This is actually a brow brush with a spoolie on the other end, but I just needed a skinny brush. I'm going to spray this one too so that it sticks. Now, I'll bring you back in a minute. Oh, welcome back. Some things I've decided while you were gone. I'm putting rhinestones on my face. And I might be coloring my eyebrow a different color. I don't think might is even the thing. When I said I decided something, I decided it. I'm going to be coloring my eyebrow. Okay, let's not knock a million rhinestones out. I just want one right now. Oh my gosh, I only got 3. We're going to take some eyelash glue, and we're going to stick it on there. And honestly, I said 1, but 3 came out in my hand. Let's just go for 2 right now. Hi, sweet girl. Pretty sure it just fell and went directly into the package. That's hysterical. There we go. That's what I wanted it to do, is just fall into my hand. Yes. Yes. We got one. Hooray. Here's this one backwards. Flip over, please. My finger is sticky, or this rhinestone's already sticky. All questionable. There. Not quite. The sticky spots are over. Oh my god, don't do it. I got it. There's 2 on my face. Yes. What color my eyebrows gonna be, you might ask? Yeah. I think white. I think we're going for more like Jack Frost look up there, even though I put blue hair in. I gotta add, I know there's a blue in here that will match my hair. Definitely. Flourishing would totally match. It's more of like a turquoisey though. But maybe for, I was thinking of wing at first, but then I put a snowflake over here coming directly off. No, Majesty, you cannot get up here right now. Or maybe a little bit of a shadow, or would that be too much? Will I mess it up? Possibly. Will I have to repeat on the other side without the shadow? Also a possibility. Let's see. I want the teeniest, tiniest brush that I have. Hello, that would be you. It's another of what I was just using, basically. Let's see what a shadow would look like. This is scary. Is it terrible? Do we hate it? Do I keep going? I mean, there's not really a going back now. It's just, is this eye get pictured, or do I only picture the other one? If anything, it should give you some Frozen Elsa vibes. So, think about that. If that's a good time for you. Like, I don't hate it. Is it the best color choice for this? Nah, I'm not sure. But I don't know if it looks like a snowflake anymore. Helps to wash out some of that color if some of that was too much. I think that makes it better. I hope it doesn't look like a cross. We're trying some new things here, okay? But let's do this eyebrow together. I want to get another snowflake on my eye. And then, where did that tool go? And then we will definitely get an eyebrow going on. Okay, it needs to be a little one. Star, which is not the end of the world because, you know, we got a big Christmas star. That looks super cute. I'm not gonna mess it up. I promise. Okay, before I do my brows though, I definitely need to put highlight on me brows, and I'm going to be highlighting with this Ofra X Talia Mar highlighter in Covent Garden, that gives me a nice metallic but also shimmer, silver shimmer vibes. Okay. These brows. So I came up with an idea, and that's what we're gonna try. Okay, I'm gonna try and put this blue mascara. This is Maybelline's Colossal Big Shot in blue. It has a fancy name, and it's like, yeah. Wish me luck. I feel like I'm gonna do this first and then put in the powder I want. Like, you're getting in there, but like, I need it to be more. It's one way to laminate your brows. I mean, that's just what we need to do. We just need to get brown mascara and go for it. Okay, so while that's there and fresh, I want a fluffy brush And I'm going to cover it in Cullinan. Oh my god, yes. This is what I want. I'm also going to get that Fenty whiteout again as well. Well, that's something, isn't it? Okay, so this is the finished look. I ended up going all the way across my eyes. My eyebrows are white. My lashes are blue. My lips are blue. And I've got a little frostburnt, little wind-burnt red nosy. Yeah. An eye look that didn't take over my whole face because I did not cover up any of this. I just went like this. I'll post a picture of how it looks, but I love it. Look super cute with my blue braids, and now I'm gonna wash it off and do a more neutral look for this evening.